Hello there guys, Qiyi here. In this video, I'll be unboxing the Qiyi Gear Cube Transparent Edition. If you have not subscribed yet, hit the red button down there and hit the bell icon so that you remain updated on all my new uploads. Now without further ado, let's get started. Let's now open this packaging. Now let's cut this plastic here. Let's now open this box. So here we have the cube, and we have, let's see what else do we have. We have a kind of instruction manual. We are not going to see this before a future video. So now let's have a look at this cube. Let's first look at the colors. So you can see the white color has been replaced for a purple color. So now let's see the first turns. Oh wow. So I have never tried a gear cube before, and as far as I can tell, this is a really good turning one. I'm really impressed by the turning, but I really don't know how to solve this cube. But let's try one more turns. It's really smooth. As you can see, we can turn it very fast, and I think this is very impressive of Qiyi to make such a good turning gear cube. I really love this cube. I am planning to do a video where I solve this cube without any help. So stay tuned for that video. So thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.